Take this off.
Turn this apart.
Why?
Because, we're working on it.
You got into the nail polish?
Yeah, she painted her own nails.
How'd that turn out?
Because your mommy was gonna be so surprised.
You want me to be so surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. You did a nice job, huh?
Look, his motorcycle's dirty. That's why we had to clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll feed the water. I'll get all the dirt, and you guys watch me get all the dirt off. And when it's summertime, I'm gonna put
I'm gonna check the logs on a few trees
clean
and
up
put a
the
brake light over here.
motorcycle.
That'll be cool.
Leave a mount so I can mount it out, like under behind the peg, you know.